Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can enter your hidden photos and how you can see them on Google Photos. So let's get right into it. Now, to see your Google Photos, what you're going to be using is the locked folder, which you have already set up previously if you're looking to access your hidden photos. If you don't know how to access it, what you can do is go and check out my video, which I have made going over this article on how you can set everything up. But once you've set everything up, it is pretty much straightforward. You just go through the same steps to access it as you did to set it up. You just go to the library, go to utilities, and go to the locked folder. That is both on iOS and iPad, iOS and Android, pardon me, and on computer it is on your sidebar to the left while using the web browser version. Now you do need either iOS 15 or later or Android 6 or later, and the way that you access this, once you actually find the button to actually go to it, you need to input your password, which is either your device password if you're on mobile, which can be either your Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to unlock your screen, and on PC it is just your account password which you need to use, and then you can very easily look it up and enter the folder, and then you'll see all your hidden photos there. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.